Hello everyone. Today I am presenting a true masterpiece of watchmaking engineering, an incredibly rare pocket watch featuring a Brevet half-moon subdial. Contrary to what you might think, this is not a retrograde complication. It operates continuously. The hand completes a full 360-degree rotation, but the ingenious dial design conceals half of its path. We only see the 180-degree visible arc, where the scale tracks the full 60 seconds. The true secret of this movement lies in its internal architecture, showcasing 5 visible wheels, all of them fully jeweled with rubies to reduce friction and ensure surgical precision. An extremely unusual and high-grade mechanical layout. What do you think of this rarity? Have you ever seen a movement with this specific 5-wheel configuration? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching the video until the end. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the upcoming episodes.